So right now, me and the Flex app, we kind of got like this entanglement going on, and it's a situation that, you know, hey, what's up everybody, it's your boy Mac the Wise Soul, and I'm back with another video. So it's been a crazy week in the sneaker game. Earlier this week we had the alternate Grape 5s drop, and today, this morning, we had the Jordan 1 Smoke Grays drop. Crazy week trying to pick up sneakers, but before I go ahead and even get into all that information, the first thing I'm going to need you to go ahead and do is go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, also give the video a thumbs up. Again, like I told you before, it helps the channel grow, and we're trying to go ahead and get out there. Also, don't forget, go ahead and follow your boy on Instagram, which is down below in the description, as well as on the screen. You know how I do, I throw it on the screen, that's what it's gonna be. Alright, so let's go ahead and get right into it here. So again, we had the Jordan 1 Smoke Grays drop today. And as a lot of you guys already know, Sneakers app was hard as hell trying to cop. Luckily for me, I hit on the Flex app for a raffle. And honestly, this is like back-to-back Flex pickups for your boy. I hit on the Flex. Actually, this is like 3 in a row for your boy. Hold on, let me think about that. I hit on the Hair 6s, hit on the alternate Grape 5s. Alternate Grape 5 video drop in the next day or so. So be ready for that. And then I hit today on the Smoke Gray 1. So, you know, Flex has been treating your boy kind of well. Yo, I ain't gonna hold you. The Sneakers app ain't been showing your boy no love lately, like at all. So right now, me and the Flex app, we kind of got like this entanglement going on, and it's a situation that, you know, they treating me right, and it's making me feel good. Pause. So let's go ahead and forget all that. Again, thanks for tuning into the channel. Let's go ahead and take a look at the shoe, the Jordan 1 Smoke Grays. As you see, the shoe comes in the standard Jordan 1 box, black box, red Nike branding on the box, Nike and the Nike swoosh, of course. And we'll go ahead and take a look at the box here, and I'll go ahead and read the description of the shoe. We have the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, color blocking, white, black, light smoke gray. Size 12 for a retail price of $170 US. And as always, your boy will show you the tag. Go ahead and get that in right there. Now let's get to the shoe. So here we have the Jordan 1 Smoke Gray. First glance at the shoe, this shoe is well put together. The material on the shoe is very, it's not A1 plush, but it's a nice plush material. The suede on the shoe is very nice. It's not super plush. Don't come into thinking this shoe is gonna give you super A1 plush suede, but it's a very nice suede, which goes around the toe cap of the shoe, up through the eyelids of the shoe, and to the back heel of the shoe. This shoe is very nice when it comes to that. The leather itself, because everybody's gonna wanna know about the leather. Is it tumble? Is the leather tumble? Everybody's shoe needs to be tumbled. Let me give y'all a secret. Your shoe don't always gotta be tumbled when it comes to a Jordan 1. Is it nice to have? Yes. The more you wear it, at least on the toe box, it's gonna get a nice natural tumbleness to it. So always remember that. As far as my toe box goes, as you guys can see here, if you can't, I might throw a B-roll. It has a little bit of tumble, but it's not anything super crazy. Where you'll find the best tumble on this shoe is right here around the ankle support. The leather is soft, it's real tumbled. Right here again, like I said, that red leather going around the shoe. You can see the tumbleness right there. And that goes all the way around the shoe. So that part right there, that's fire right there. That leather on the top part of this shoe is definitely the best leather on the shoe. My side panels, again, if you look right there, focus on the camera, you don't see a lot of tumbleness there, but there's a little bit. And again, like I said, each shoe might be different. So not only do you have the suede going on the outlining of the shoe itself, you actually have a dope part of the shoe that I also really like, which I didn't even know was gonna be the case, because I didn't really watch anybody's review yet. I just kind of came home, grabbed my shoe, took it out the box, and started shooting the video. Obviously, I'm gonna watch everybody's review after this one, you know, is uploaded. But the suede on the swoosh, I did not notice that in any pictures. I didn't even know that was happening. I just thought it was going to be a standard leather swoosh on the shoe. But no, it's not. It's a nice suede material. And the suede on that swoosh feels really good. You can see here, you might be able to see the actual suede material. You kind of pick that up here on the camera. So that's another dope feature on the shoe. So this shoe, look, the score I got in my head right now, I ain't gonna hold you. It's kind of high, but you know, I'm gonna keep going, keep checking the shoe out before I give you that final YSL score. So like I was saying, the color blocking obviously is the biggest draw to the shoe. It definitely is a nice shoe. It's definitely gonna turn heads. The shoe comes in an all black outsole with a white midsole. Again, comes in that smoke gray colorway, offset with the white paneling on the shoe. I think this is definitely a dope shoe to own. I think it's a dope shoe to have in your collection. If you're a fan of Jordan 1s, I think it's something you're gonna get. The resale on this shoe it's gonna be kind of high right now, because what everybody's saying is this shoe was mad limited. Every shoe that we've gotten so far in the last 2-3 months since COVID really hit has been hard to get. It's gotten harder and harder and harder. Pause. So not only are we fighting that all the stores not being open, but we're fighting online amongst ourselves trying to get the shoes. And the bots have been eating like crazy lately. They've been snatching up shoes like as soon as the time hits. Like out here, it's usually 7 o'clock when the shoe drops. As soon as you log in to any shoe site, either most of them are either sold out or you're in a queue for so long that by the time you get in, you can't even add anything to cart. And that's crazy right now. All in all, I think this is a very nice Jordan 1. Is it the best Jordan 1 of the year so far? I don't know. I think right now it's up there with the Court Purple 2.0s. Those are definitely two of my favorite Jordan 1s to drop this year. And maybe the UNC to Chicago. The 7-point YSL scale, I'm gonna actually go ahead and give the smoke gray. I'm gonna give the smoke gray a 5 on a 7-point scale. So again, if you remember what I said on my 7-point scale, a 6 or 7 is a must-have. You have to cop this shoe. Anything from a 3, 4, and 5 is a cop if you can, but you don't have to have it. This shoe is very close. I mean, very close to have to have. But I saved those shoes for more like OG shoes or real special kicks, unless it's just something that just blows my mind and just blows the charts off when it comes to the scale. But definitely this is a 5-point shoe. I definitely say if you get a chance to cop this shoe now, go ahead and do it, because the resale value of the shoe is gonna skyrocket. It was hard to get, like I said earlier. I don't know how limited the shoe was, but if you can get it now while the prices are reasonable. Because again, by the time you go to bed tonight, this shoe might be past $300 if it isn't already. Anyway, thanks for checking out this quick overview of the Air Jordan 1 Smoke Grays. Again, I hope everybody's able to cop. Let your boy know in the comments below, did you try to cop the Smoke Grays? If so, did you hit? Did you hit on Sneakers app? Did you hit on the Flex app? Did you win local raffles at your stores? Tell me how you feel about this shoe. So again, thanks for checking out the channel. Again, don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, go ahead, hit the notification bell so you can be alerted next time I upload a video. Also, don't forget, follow me on Instagram, which again is down below. And I'll go ahead and see you guys in my next video. So for the Air Jordan 1 Smoke Gray, you got your boy Mac the YSL. Remember, stay humble, stay hungry, stay wise. Gang.